Come test drive the 2016 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, lumbar support, navigation system, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.